Oh man. So, I wish I would quit saying so. Anyways, I hit the 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very, very much for that. And I know my thing is like rattling away, but my phone's dead. It's charging, so I got. Do not mind my desk. Over here, just don't look over here. It's a mess. I know. There's important tax documentation over there. So anyways. Alright, so I know there's like 22 comments, but you're not getting multiple comments. So yeah, I don't know. I'll just Alright, so we have seven contestants. Okay. We might not let my mom. I don't think my mom should be eligible. Yeah, my mom can be eligible. That just went all over the floor. So, what the little baby Crown Royal bag here. You can see, yeah, I just made a mess. Whatever, it'll match the rest of my room. This is for the 1,000. This is for the 1,000 sub giveaway. May, are you going to do it? Really? You can do it. You can do it. Okay, so here you go. Put it in there. They're not really.
Stop.
You got to draw 2. Who are they?
Rebel Rider.
Menard. It's rigged! They win everything. I've never won anything from them.
Megan Green?
Megan Green.
What that says?
Yep.
Handwriting sucks.
So,
those aren't E's. They look like C's.
Whatever. So we should eliminate the Menard Rebel Riders. What do y'all think? I don't think they're eligible because ATV Mom Canada said that it's rigged or something of that sort. So, thank you. Okay, I think I'm recording. So there you have it. Menard Rebel Riders, Megan Green. Go to Factory FX's website. I'll put the link in the description below. Am I recording? Okay. And I'm always paranoid about that.
Hi, Dino.
And everybody's in here while I'm trying to shoot a video now.
Dino. Oh, now I can't put it back. There it is.
So, anyways, link in the description below. Get on there, look at the shirts, just message me or you can comment whichever one you want. And then message me your address or email it and everything's below.
What?
Nothing. When you bent over to get the food, I was over here like this. Yeah! So anyways, yes, thank you very much. You guys are amazing. That's a synonym for awesome because I use awesome way too much. And just what? But yeah, I really don't know what I need to say. Nothing like. You're making a lot of noise.
I have to feed them. The guineas are hungry.
I came in here to shoot a video, and you have to feed the guineas yet again. It's like no fail. Either the dogs are in here or you're in here when I'm trying to shoot a video.
Poor baby. Whatever will you do? What are you going to do when the baby pops out and screams in a video?
Man, I'm going to pimp that kid out and he's going to be our new star. He's going to get like 10 times the amount of subs that I got already in like the first week.
This is going to be nice. Nobody wants to see your face anyway.
Then do you want to sit here and talk?
No.
Please?
No. Addie, get out of the kennel. Redding. Guinea. Hi, Cheddar. Get up. Get down. Addie, get down. Maisie, move.
You know you can zoom in and stuff, right? You don't have to shove it in the guinea cat.
There he is. Hi, baby. The guinea. Master, Cheddar, and Gouda. Really? Excuse me. Get down. Bad dog. Addie.
Are you done?
Stop complaining.
I've not complained one bit.
Yes, you have.
Mm-mm.
You're making so much noise. If it's not you in here, it's some animals in here.
In my defense, originally this room was supposed to be animal free.
At least, that's your own fault.
Pickle.
Pika.
You don't need a video.
Yes, yes.
Come on, get up. Come on. Come on.
No, move. You go away.
Yes. There you go, Mr. Pickle. So, don't you control your liquor.
Your room is gross. You need to sweep it. Get out of here.
It's because of hay.
No, it's not because of hay. No. No. You need to sweep it.
Mr. Pickle,
Addie?
are you going to be cute? You got to get me subscribers, man. Yeah, you got to get subscribers, dude. No, don't lick me. Control your liquor. So, yes, thank you guys so much. And just comment below. I don't know if it doesn't look like I'm really centered because somebody moved the camera.
Do you think I don't look at the screen before I put it back?
I don't know. Do you? So, anyways,
Hey! Ow, he bit me through my sweater.
Who? The guinea pig?
Yes.
That's funny. So I'm working on like a sponsor page. You don't really know what I'm doing because I'm not a photo editor, and so that way you can know what brands support me, and you know they're all amazing brands. So yes, I'm not a photo editor. I'm barely a video editor, and I wish I knew someone who's real good with photo editing. Higgins, you need to help me. So anyways, thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, share, and be sure to comment below. Give me some future giveaway ideas, you know, or like a frequency of giveaways. Y'all ain't getting stuff every week. I just can't afford that, okay? So just get that out of your head. But, you know, what's up, bud? So, thank you guys. You can go now.